All right, guys, let's quickly go over this sliding ring row deal that we got going on today. You can see, hopefully, that I've got a little, let me check to make sure you can see actually, that I've got a little runway on the floor leading up to my rings of mats. I'll just show you right here. Little runway leading up to my mats. That's just gonna help my feet slide, and you'll see why that is necessary in a second. And then I like to wear socks on top of that, or barefoot. I'm barefoot because I didn't wear socks today, which is my bad. But if you have socks, that's probably your best option, which I hope most of you do. But if not, barefoot will work fine too. And this is just gonna help your feet slide a little better versus on the rubber, okay? So really what we're doing is just taking last week's muscle up or ring row to muscle up transition exercise that we did, which as a quick refresher, right, is just pulling nice and strict, rings to the chest, transitioning through, transition back and back down, okay? So taking that's sort of a stricter movement, drilling that transition, making it a little bit more dynamic, sliding into it like we've just done a kip, and doing that muscle up transition a little bit faster, okay? So basically what we're looking at is starting with our feet a little bit further in front, probably actually a lot further in front depending on where you were last time than you were with that strict muscle up transition, right? Coming back down into that muscle up, I'm gonna scoot my feet even further. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna kind of pull myself forward with my feet, then kick myself back and let my feet slide. Okay, so pull myself forward here, then pull back and let my feet slide. Okay? Forward, feet slide, okay? And then once we're sliding, we're just gonna give ourselves a little pull and use that momentum to pull into the bottom of that dip and then come back down. Okay, so easy enough. Fix my hat here. Okay, so pull, slide, bottom of the ring row. And you see I use my feet, that's totally fine, okay? But drilling that movement and that transition, okay? So I use my feet to pop myself up, fine, okay? Slide into the muscle up transition. And like I said in the description video, if you guys just wanna stick with the strict ring row to muscle up transition, because this is a little bit, well, there's a lot of working parts here, then you can do that and you'll still get better, okay? A great way to still get better. So that's the ring row to muscle up transition sliding. I'm not gonna go over the support holds. Well, heck, I'll go over them real quick. Support hold, top of the rings as a quick refresher. Gonna keep those palms facing out, elbows locked out tight. Here, deep support hold, biceps to the rings, here, okay? And then for the kip swings, you wanna think about, probably not gonna be able to see me if I get on these rings. Let me adjust real quick. Boop. Just gonna show you my hands real quick. You just wanna think about keeping the shoulders behind the ears the whole time. So when you kip back, they're here. When you push forward, they're here, okay? Back, through, kipping on those rings, okay? So you're gonna go 8 seconds to the top, 8 seconds to the bottom, and then 5 to 10 kip swings. All right, easy enough. Let's pause and then we'll do the bar muscle ups.